speaker tonight is Sharmal Roussel. May I start you to come to the podium? Sharmal is the executive director of Arkansas Interfaith Power and Light, which is a group of religious organizations that are concerned with climate issues and working to make Arkansas a leader on climate issues. She'll be leading us in a responsive reading. Sharmal?
Praise to the Creator of the earth, for vast oceans, flowing rivers, reflective lakes, small ponds, gentle rains, we give you thanks. For you will fill our careless ways and polluted lands. Help us cleanse, serve, and share. Teach us to care for the gift of water.
They're not worshiping God, they're worshiping the river. You got it.
Praise to you, Creator of the dry land.
Here comes the train. Here comes the fossil fuel powered train is coming in to with its voice.
Help us to sow, till, and harvest with care. Teach us to live gently. Praise to you, O Creator.
Perfect time.
Breath of life and maker of air, for wind and wave, breath and breeze, light and life. Life, we give you thanks. Forgive our heedless acts and selfish ways. Help us to live justly, simply, and wisely.
See if I can get the fossil fuel powered train here.
Praise to you.
Protested the train there. Okay, so far the fossil fuel powered train, which is probably carrying coal based on the types of cars there, is silencing the Going Green protesters. I love it. I did not call this train forward, it just came on its own. Let's take a moment of silence for the, I don't know, maybe the death of Solyndra or SunPower. A123. Let's see if I can go on the net and find some more here. Interdell, that's another one that got $111.5 million. Beacon Power. They paid out, their CEOs got six-figure bonuses, but they got multi-million-dollar bills. So I guess this is a moment of silence for the Going Green energy companies that got millions of dollars and then went bankrupt, but not before paying their CEOs six figures. And another moment of silence for the
Thank you all so much for remaining and standing with Mayflower. Let's get done at help us to live justly, simply, and wisely. Teach us to care for
Creator can heal the air. Why do we have to reduce our carbon for?
Forgive our neglect and abuse of your gifts. Help us to serve, defend, and restore your creation. Help us to care for your people. Help us care for your earth. Now all together, Creator of the earth and all living things, Maker of sky and water and air,
God
ground
is
soil, Creator of all that is, we are your servant people, created out of the clay of the earth itself. We forget that we are your creatures, and we play at being gods. We neglect the work of the stewardship, which is our proper role.
Is this allowed in schools?
Abuse and abandon those things that you have created for your delight. You have created a fragile world in a perfect and unbalanced balance, thinking too much of your own importance. We have upset that balance. We ask
Waited for the train.
we yearn to join with the mountains and valleys, the rocks and birds, and the creatures of the wild ocean waters, rivers, lakes, and ponds, singing your praises. Now let's pause for a moment of silent meditation.
We already had that with the train. And let's listen to the fossil fuel powered lawnmower as it cuts down the grass.